Friday. And it looks good on you. Good morning, I'm Lena DeFlores. You can see I'm all alone here. The fellas have left me. It's just you and me. A manhunt involving murder and kidnapping is now over. The man accused of taking 2 Tennessee girls and killing their mother and oldest sister is dead. I want to get you updated on something this morning. Everyone's going to be talking about this today at work and wherever you may be headed, so we want to get you informed so you can weigh in. Today is a huge day for the National Flight Academy at NAS. Several famous people are going to be on hand for the commissioning of the National Flight Academy. So the fellas are live there this morning, and I'm going to go ahead and tell your secret. You guys are geeking out there.
Yeah, a little bit.
Not much of a secret.
Yeah.
Well, the Postal Service and the nation's top bank are both reporting huge losses. Here's ABC's Rob Nelson with our look at America's money. Well, perhaps you have seen me out and about with my sign. I'm giving away $500. Ask me how. You'd be surprised how many people don't ask me how. So I'd like to use this as a plea. If you see me, please come and say hello. It could work out really well for you. Now to the conviction in a 2010 shooting death of a Fresco City, Alabama man. Yesterday, a jury found Benjamin Blackman guilty for the murder of Thomas Perkins. New Jersey Governor Chris Christie, now the second governor in the nation to veto legislation that is a key part of the new healthcare overhaul law. The Bing search engine getting a brand new look. ABC's Sunny Hostin has details in today's Tech Bites. 5:25 now on your Friday morning. We're going to take a quick break. Up next, we'll continue our live coverage of the big opening day of the National Flight Academy. We're there all morning. Stay with us. Fort Walton Beach will keep its own police force. The City Council voted last night after hearing a reorganization plan. Jared, we can't hear you. Is that something we can fix, or should we come back? Live television, what can we do? Okay, we'll get that going for you in just a second. So in the meantime, you're just going to have to wait to see who that special surprise is. Can I just take a moment to say, if you're a mother, happy Mama's Day this week, and I hope you feel as special and as loved as you are. And I do want to remind you too, at NAS Pensacola, those tours go on until 2 o'clock, and it sounds to me like the guys are saying you really do have to see it for yourself, right?